She still runs, just needs someone to care for her.
We'll take good care, promise.
Then she's yours.
That's a beautiful set of keys, man.
All right, let's see what she's got.
Moment of truth.
Here we go. Come on. Yeah.
There it is. Sounds healthy enough.
Told you she still had a heartbeat.
Feels like the start of an adventure.
Smooth ride so far. Haven't seen a pothole in miles.
Count your blessings. Last week I thought the back axle was going to fall off on this stretch.
She'll hold. Truck's got heart.
Heart and a lot of rust.
Rust is character, man. Same thing with that old sedan back there.
You just like that emblem.
Oxidized or not, it's got style.
That fender caught it hard. You can see the ripple going past the crease.
Yeah, and the paint's already thin here. If we pull it slow, we can keep most of the finish.
Right here, feel that? It's pushed in under the bead.
I logged the depth. We'll need a small stud and slide hammer pass, then skim coat.
Works for me. Let's get it inside.
All right, roll her in.
Looks good. Keep it even with the curve.
We'll blend the edge, then primer.
Rear patch is welded. Just a couple tacks left.
Surface is smooth now. Wipe it down, and we're ready for sealer.
Nice work, everyone. Let's get this into the booth.
Foam's working through those bug spots quick.
Yeah, the hood's clearing up nicely. Keep the passes tight.
Got it. I'll reload the sponge after this panel.
Roof's almost done. You see that scratch under the handle? Still our marker.
Yep, can't miss it.
Emblem's already popping. Feels good to watch it come back.
Give it a rinse and we'll see the glow.
Laying down smooth.
Like glass. Look at that flake.
All right, last pass. That's it.
Door's coming open.
Look at that paint shine. Can't believe how clean it looks now.
Like it just rolled out of the showroom? Did good, man.
We all did. Even Bruno back there.
Hear that? Approved.
Smooth as glass.
Let's give him a little wave.
They're gonna freak out.
See you guys! Love you too!
Here she is, your new ride.
Wow, she looks incredible.
Congratulations. Ready for the handoff?
Absolutely.
This is a big moment for us.
Thank you all.
Our pleasure. Enjoy every mile.
Let's see how she sounds.